One of the things that I've noticed as a result of this lockdown is our community focus. As a community, we tend to pull together in times of crisis. So we want to support each other in our community. So this might mean the form of supporting your local traders in shopping strips, shopping malls, shopping centres, etc., and creating those connections with people that you're used to trading with, not locally. From a business perspective, this means keeping yourself and your team connected and engaged. What do I mean by that? Well, basically, if you've had to stand down or furlough any of your team members, the challenge is keeping them inspired, engaged and motivated, not just in this time as we're starting to come out of lockdown, but beyond, keeping them engaged and inspired. What are you doing? What resources are you offering? What customized offerings are you offering them to enable them to be connected and engaged? Yes, you could send them links to TED Talks or YouTube clips and get them to watch stuff, but it's far more meaningful if an organisation invests and does something specifically to help engage, connect and inspire your team so that when they're ready to go back to action, they're connected and they're ready to serve you and your customers. So if you're looking for something to do, and if you're looking for something that you can add to your repertoire to help support and build connection and engagement and in turn productivity when we come back from lockdown, reach out. I'd love to be able to have a chat and see how I may be able to help.